Hey everyone, today we're at a brand new farmer's store. Let's see what they have. MOPAR set.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Gold Chase.
Here we are. Boom.
Oh my gosh, is there another one?
Any 29 Fords in there, Tim?
29 Fords.
Tim, there.
Yep.
I mean, yeah, the... No, not that.
40.
The...
Oh, that thing. I hate that thing. 40 Ford is my favourite one.
Boom, right there.
How much you got?
And the custom 11.
5 minutes. Do you have some black?
Alright. Gold Chase and 11 Camaro at this new store. Let's see if they have any more MOPAR set. What is with me in finding these chases? I've got someone out the back looking for the MOPAR set out the back right now, so I'll get back to you. Oh, she's coming with the box. Let's see what they have. It's fine.
And that's, so if you just want to look through what
yeah.
we've got, I'll just pop it over here. You get a look here, and yeah.
Thank
choose which one you
you.
want.
Awesome. Power Wagon. Metal on metal right there. Oh yeah. Power Wagons. Oh, finally. Another one?
Yeah, no, that's Charger.
Okay.
No.
Dixie Challenger, Tim.
No, not a fan.
I know,
Of the
I'm not a
colour.
fan of this
Not a fan
though.
of the colour.
seems to be the answering
That is
service.
so cool.
These are the Power Wagons.
Oh my gosh, amazing.
Oh, we found the Power Wagon.
Not a fan of any other of the
I
others.
like the Viper, but that can wait. I'd rather pick one Marie.
Okay, so the haul for today. This farmer's finally proved worth going to. Last time when we came to the grand opening they had like 14.
Yeah.
Now, we came back, box of MOPAR, which I've been looking for a long time, and whoop, we bought 3 Power Wagons, left one for someone else, and a Gold Chase Camaro, my 7th, and Dodge Charger RT.
Yeah.
So thank you everyone very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh, look at him.